Okay, we're heading down to SIM LIM Tower in Singapore because I'm going to make a video light for this camera. Guys, we are actually at SIM LIM Tower now, where this is one of the mega stores for all DIY stuff you can buy, like components, electric components. And today I'm going to get some strips of LEDs and wires and stuff. And let's hope it works. Let's get going. Look what I found finally is this LED light. Not what I really expected out of it, because I intend to get something that is more portable, or in fact slimmer. I'm gonna tell you is this is massive mega lights. It's gonna be very blinding. Alright, it says in this box, LED floodlight with 10 watts, 900 lumens. Look how impressive this light is. Just flooding this. Check out this floodlight with this. What I'm seeing is my camera box. Now I'm going to switch off the lights and look how it goes.
Okay, lights on.
Okay, lights on.
So bright. You can see the shadow.
Yeah. So then I'll get without the lights.